Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Take-Apart Robot is probably one of the most fascinating and educational toys on the market. It allows children to explore the inner workings of a robot, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and an understanding of mechanical components. This detailed review will cover everything from its initial assembly to its durability and the overall learning experience it provides, helping you decide if this engaging toy is the right fit for your child. Number 5. HAHALAND 5-in-1 STEM Take-Apart Truck. It's 5 take-apart vehicles that transform into one big robot, or they can be played with separately. It's great for solo play or teamwork. Once assembled into a robot, it has flashing lights and cool robot sounds. It's designed to spark imagination and creative play. It includes a screwdriver and large screws, so no batteries are needed. It's perfect for developing fine motor skills. It meets strict safety standards and is made of sturdy ABS material with rounded edges for safe play. It's built to last. Looking for a gift for a 5 to 7-year-old? This is an excellent educational toy that will provide hours of fun and learning. We are here to help if you have any issues. What we like. It can transform into 5 different vehicles and a robot. The flashing lights and sounds add to the fun. If you are looking for a fun, interactive toy that doesn't require batteries, this is a great choice for your child. What people say. It was perfect. My grandson loved all the different vehicles, plus the ability to put the robot together on his own. The pieces stick tightly enough to build the figure and not so tight that they cannot separate the magnetized pieces to create a new figure. Definitely a way to use their imagination. Very versatile. Lots of different variation can be made out of it, or a big one. Strong material and good color. In constant use. Number 4. iPlay iLearn 3-in-1 Toy. Get ready for hours of fun and learning with this amazing 3-in-1 toy. It's perfect for kids who love to build, create, and explore. It's a giant 18-inch robot. Your child will be amazed by its size and the fun of making it move. This incredible set transforms into a robot, a truck, and a workbench. 3 times the fun with just one purchase. It's not just fun, it's educational. It helps kids develop coordination, hand skills, and their imaginations. Looking for a gift that will keep on giving? This STEM toy is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a big hit with kids of all ages. Made with high-quality ABS materials, it's built to last through countless hours of imaginative play. It's safe and durable for years of fun. What we like. This one is extra large and impressive. It transforms into 3 different things, offering a lot of variety. If your child enjoys imaginative play and learning through play, this is a great option. What people say. The parts are falling off and it's not so easy to transform into a vehicle, but I got it right after a couple of initial struggling attempts. You feel it easy once you get used to it. It's much bigger than we thought it would be. Very good quality and super fast arrival time. He carried it room to room playing with it in robot form, truck form, and did some building on the tool bench form. He loves building anything and everything, so this was perfect for him. Number 3. YAZHIYI Robotic Arm Kit. Get ready to explore the amazing world of robotics. This kit includes 103 high-quality parts, ensuring a durable and engaging building experience. It's made from a combination of aluminum alloy, ABS plastic, and rubber. The powerful motor provides immersive control and smooth operation. This robotic arm boasts a 360 degrees rotatable gripper for precise movements and a mechanism wheel for all-around mobility. It can easily pick up and release items. Its clever design allows it to fold and stand, almost reaching a 90 degrees angle. It's surprisingly strong, capable of lifting up to 500 g. It's an ideal gift for kids and adults who love STEM. Building it encourages hands-on learning and sparks creativity. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays. The kit comes with everything you need: the robotic arm, remote control, rechargeable batteries, charging cable, toolkit, and even an extra gift. Get yours today. What we like. It's made of high-quality materials and is very durable. The remote control and 360 degrees rotation add to the fun and challenge. If you want a high-quality, feature-rich robot arm, this is the one to get. What people say. The instructions are so easy to read follow, very similar to Lego instructions, all the tools and parts and screws, etc. are all packaged in such an organized manner, it just makes so much easier to assemble. My son kept commenting on how durable everything seems to be, he was expecting more plastic than metal. It can be a little confusing. My only complaint is that it doesn't have a pitch control on the claw, but other than that it's an amazing toy. Number 2. 5-in-1 Tool Building Truck Toy. Get ready for hours of fun with this incredible 5-in-1 transforming vehicle toy. It's 5 amazing vehicles in one, perfect for imaginative play. This set includes 5 unique vehicles, from a missile car to an armored tank. Transform them into a mighty dinosaur robot, the possibilities are endless. It's more than just a toy, it's a learning experience. Use the included screwdriver to take it apart and put it back together, developing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Many parts use magnets for easy connection and disconnection. The convenient storage box keeps everything organized for easy cleanup and travel. Made from durable, child-safe ABS plastic, it's a screen-free STEM toy perfect for home, school, or on the go. It's a great gift for kids aged 3 to 8. Give the gift of imaginative play and learning. This toy provides hours of fun and helps kids develop essential skills. It's the ideal birthday or holiday present. What we like. It offers 5 vehicles that transform into a dinosaur robot. The magnetic parts make assembly and disassembly easier. If you're looking for a toy with magnetic components and a convenient storage solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to assemble, holds up great. It is sturdy enough for a 5-year-old and the magnets are strong. He loves to swap around all the little magnet parts and make his own little trucks. Number 1. Educational Insights Design and Drill Robot. It's more than just a toy, it's a creative building experience that provides hours of fun. Get ready for unplugged playtime and imaginative adventures. Watch your child's confidence soar as they build and decorate their very own robot. It's all about self-discovery and hands-on learning. This isn't just playtime, it's an introduction to the world of STEM. It teaches basic engineering principles through fun construction. Little hands get busy developing hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and strength. It's all about playful learning and development. Looking for the perfect gift? This is a best-selling learning toy that kids will love. It's perfect for the holidays or any special occasion. What we like. It's a simple and easy-to-build robot. It's perfect for introducing STEM concepts to young children. If you are looking for a simple, educational STEM toy, this is a great option. What people say. This 23-piece set is not only fun but also educational, making it a perfect addition to our toy collection. The toy is made from durable, high-quality plastic that withstands the wear and tear of active play. The vibrant colors and friendly robot design capture my child's attention and make playtime enjoyable. The drill is easy to use, and my child can safely operate it with minimal supervision. This toy encourages children to use a kid-friendly screwdriver to assemble parts and pieces, fostering fine motor skills, coordination, and creativity. Beyond its educational value, the colorful and customizable design of the robot captivates young minds, providing hours of entertainment while subtly teaching the basics of engineering and problem-solving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.